In people with sickle cell disease, their red blood cells become deformed, turning sickle-shaped. The bone marrow tries to make more red cells to make up for the loss, but can't keep up, causing anemia. Their new shape keeps them from moving properly through the body, and the misshapen cells can jam up and stick to the walls of the blood vessels. These clumps cut off oxygen to healthy tissue, delaying a child's normal growth and causing fatigue and extreme pain.
Hi, this is Kimmery McEwen. I am a certified K-12 computer science teacher, and I'm also currently pursuing my master's degree in instructional design and a graduate certificate in e-learning design and delivery at the University of Central Florida. I mentor high school and college students, and I'm a passionate motivational speaker. In this exclusive online workshop, we will explore what sickle cell is, understand the impact hemoglobin sickle has on the body, learn more about available treatment options and how to create a community of support for sickle cell warriors and their care team. These topics and more will help to build on your sickle cell knowledge. This information is essential because you could be a sickle cell carrier and don't know it, or know someone dealing with this debilitating disease and would like to know how to support them during a crisis. This course is very dear to my heart because on September 28, 2001, my younger sister Janika died from complications related to sickle cell. Helplessly, as a family, we watched as Danica endured physical and psychological pain. We couldn't relate to her experience and were not educated enough about the disease. Currently, there is no cure for sickle cell anemia, but like these brave sickle cell warriors, let's spark change by making sickle cell awareness a priority. Join me for an eye-opening, life-changing experience by signing up at anjovifoundation.com/workshop. Click on the registration link. Subscribe to our mailing list to receive news on advances being made to find a cure, resources, community outreach, and more. Let's stop anemia together. Thank you.